Okay guys, I got this stereo from a Mercedes Benz, and these are kind of hard to remove if you don't have the correct tools. I'm going to show you how to do it with some homemade tools if you don't want to wait for the actual part to arrive at your house. So what I got is these nail files, and you're going to cut a little groove right here on both sides. I just sanded it down with a little saw, and then these little pieces right here, these little holes, you're going to stick it in there. Okay, so stick them in this side on the inside. Just play around with it until it locks on, and then just slowly pull it out. I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like. So you're going to stick these in until it locks right there, and you can kind of fill it, and then when you're pulling it out, you kind of want to do this and then pull it out. So that's how you do it. These, I mean, you can get these at Walmart for about $1 each, and then just sand it down, or you can get them on eBay. And I'll link the description to the ones on eBay as well, but these are just at Walmart. I just made them because I didn't want to wait for the other ones to get here on eBay. So if you have any questions, let me know, but overall, it's a pretty easy way to remove these Mercedes-Benz radios.